Imagine walking into a boardroom 10 years ago and telling a CEO that a computer program would write their next marketing campaign, handle their customer support, and accurately predict their next big revenue surge, all before breakfast. They probably would have laughed you out of the room, assuming you've been watching way too much science fiction. Well, wake-up call. That future isn't some distant sci-fi fantasy anymore. It's happening right here, right now, on every single device you touch. Artificial intelligence has officially stepped out of the Hollywood movie screens and right into the engine rooms of modern business. From solo entrepreneurs working out of their bedrooms to massive global corporations, AI isn't just an optional upgrade, it is quickly becoming the ultimate survival tool. So, how did we get here? And more importantly, what does this actually mean for you, your job, and the future of how money is made? Don't worry, you don't need a degree in computer science or software engineering to figure this out. We are breaking it down into plain, simple, real-world English. At its core, artificial intelligence, or AI, is simply tech built to perform tasks that used to require human intelligence. Think about how you learn a new skill. You try, you fail, you spot patterns, you practice, and over time, you get better. That is precisely what AI does, but with billions of data points in a fraction of a second. When people talk about AI in business, they're usually talking about a few core powerhouses. First up, you've got machine learning. This is where computers devour mountains of data to find patterns and make predictions without someone having to write millions of lines of code. Then there's natural language processing, or NLP, which enables computers to read, understand, and talk to humans in a way that feels surprisingly natural. We also have computer vision, giving machines the ability to see and interpret visual data from images and video feeds. And of course, the absolute game changer taking over your feed every day, generative AI. Tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Midjourney that don't just process existing data, they actually create brand new text, high-resolution imagery, complex software code, and even music on demand. Now, let's talk about the absolute heavy hitter, smarter decision-making. In business, making the wrong call can cost millions. Human intuition is great, but human brains have limits. We get tired, we miss hidden trends, and we have personal biases. AI, on the other hand, can digest decades of market trends, sales figures, and consumer behavior overnight. Take retail, for example. Imagine a major fashion brand trying to figure out what clothes to stock for the upcoming autumn season. Instead of relying on educated guesses or outdated surveys, an AI system analyzes past sales, current social media trends, and talks to humans in a way that feels surprisingly natural. Global weather forecasts, and economic indicators. In seconds, it pinpoints exactly which jackets, colors, and styles are going to sell out, and which ones will just sit on the shelf gathering dust. That doesn't just save millions in wasted inventory, it skyrockets profitability. And that's just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to how AI is revolutionizing business. Activity. Repetitive, mind-numbing administrative tasks. Think about how much time people waste every week scheduling meetings, entering data into spreadsheets, sending routine follow-up emails, or processing financial documents. AI is stepping in to totally automate these mundane chores. Take accounting, for example. Instead of an employee manually opening hundreds of PDF invoices and typing each line item into accounting software, an AI tool can scan, categorize, verify, and log every single invoice automatically within seconds. This doesn't just save hundreds of hours of tedious labor, it practically eliminates human error, freeing up real humans to focus on creative strategy, sales, and actual business growth. Next up, personalizing marketing. Have you ever talked about a product with a friend, and an hour later, an ad for that exact product popped up on your feed? It feels like black magic, but it's actually hyper-targeted AI marketing at work. In the past, marketing was like casting a massive net into the ocean and hoping you'd catch something. Today, AI analyzes every digital footprint, what you click on, how long you pause on a video, your past purchase history, and even local weather conditions to deliver the exact right message to the right person at the optimal moment. Think about Netflix recommending your next binge-worthy show, or Amazon highlighting items you didn't even realize you needed yet. They aren't guessing. They are using sophisticated AI algorithms that know your preferences better than you might know them yourself. And AI isn't just improving existing businesses, it is creating entirely new business models that were literally impossible a decade ago. We are seeing a massive explosion of AI as a service platforms. Entire multi-million-dollar startups are being built around self-driving logistics, generative digital art, real-time personalized healthcare monitoring apps, and custom AI agents built to run automated businesses on autopilot. Finally, let's look inside corporate HR departments. AI is radically changing how companies hire and manage talent. Algorithms can now scan thousands of resumes in minutes, filtering out unqualified candidates and highlighting top matches instantly. AI tools can even analyze employee performance data to suggest custom training pathways. But here's the catch. Using AI in hiring comes with serious responsibility. If the historical data fed into an AI system is biased, the AI will mirror and amplify those biases, making unfair decisions. Which brings us to the bigger picture: privacy, ethics, and job displacement. Will AI replace jobs? Yes, routine tasks are rapidly being automated. But history shows that technology usually shifts the nature of work, rather than eliminating human effort altogether. The real goal moving forward is using AI responsibly, protecting customer data, establishing ethical frameworks, and learning how to collaborate with these intelligent tools rather than fighting them. The business landscape is evolving faster than ever before. Those who embrace AI tools now will lead the future, while those who ignore them risk becoming obsolete.